Can you see? Can you see my glasses glowing?
Yep. And ready? Hi there. Welcome back to the deck of Artemis. We are here today in Bell Harbor. It's a little rainy day, so we're actually waiting it out right now. We are on our trip going south. So next stop is Blake, Gig Harbor, and then we may make it down to Olympia. We'll see. So we're going to do a quick out-of-turn video because I think the last video we posted, we are still going into Anacortes. So just to give you a little bit of an update. So we have decided to sell Artemis after our trip. Artemis has been a fantastic vessel to be part of our family. We have put a lot of time and effort into her, and she has really rewarded us with some great times, great memories.
Some awesome adventures.
Some awesome adventures. Now, you may ask, why are you selling Artemis? I mean, if this boat is so great. Well, a couple things. First of all, we are one of the last holdouts in our group of friends that have stayed with sailboats. We have a very good group of friends that pretty much everybody has transitioned to like a powerboat, kind of in the trawler department. So that's one thing. The other thing is, as we kind of, best way to put this, as we age out a little bit, and I know it's a little funny hearing me talk about aging out, but with my Parkinson's, I have been noticing it's been a little bit more difficult to manage things on the boat. Mainly it's more of a comfort thing. So maybe it's time to quit while we're ahead. I don't want to have anything weird happen while I'm on the deck, sorting something out, fall overboard, etc., etc. So really, not a overwhelming time that I have to sell because of Parkinson's, but I do recognize that there's going to be coming a time, and the time might be sooner than I need it to be. And the other thing is, I think it's time to move on to some new adventures. Knowing that, I feel that in some kind of a trawler type situation, it'd be a lot easier just because you're sitting down behind an enclosure, and it's a little bit more, how would you say, corralled in. So anyway, yeah. But I will want to say that we love this boat. This boat has been awesome to us. We have really enjoyed our adventures up here in the Pacific Northwest. And when we do sell her, we're going to miss her pretty badly. So
it's a little bittersweet coming to this, but it's what we need to do for us.
Exactly. So there's a season for everything. Our sailing season has lasted a very long time. Our sailing season has brought us a lot of joy, a lot of adventures, and really a lot of lifelong friends. If it wasn't for sailing, we would not be here today. So, but now it's time to transition to some kind of a powerboat. And so once we figure that out, we will let you all know. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed watching both Series 1 and Series 2 of the Adventures of Artemis. We still have quite a few of them to go. So this isn't the end, at least not for Season 2. I suspect Season 2 is going to be playing on most likely a little bit into after we even get home, considering we're only releasing these once a couple times a week. So yeah, anyway, again, thank you for listening, and fair winds, and we will chat with you on our next adventure. Awesome.